Dear friends, heart attack will happen when there is decrease in the blood circulation to the heart. When blood circulation is decreased, there will be less oxygen supply to the heart. So heart muscle damage will happen. That you all people will call it as heart attack. So heart attack is very worrisome. If you take some preventive measures, the major hazards can be prevented. For that, we have to maintain a regular health style or health habits. We have to do physical activity, minimum 30 to 45 minutes per day. You have to do some physical activity either in the form of walking, or you can, if you are able to swim, you can swim also, or if you are able to play any game, any sport you can play. So physical activity 30 to 45 minutes per day is very essential to keep your heart healthy. So do some physical activity regularly. At the same time, who are prone to develop this heart attack? So if any people who are having family history of heart disease, they are prone to develop this heart attack or heart disease. At the same time, whoever are more than 40 years old, whoever is having stress lifestyle, whoever are obese, so not doing any physical activity, being sedentary, so that also may cause. So high cholesterol levels, if cholesterol levels are high, that also will cause the heart related issues. At the same time, eating habits, if they eat unhygienic food or unhealthy food, that also may cause this heart disease. And whoever is having either hypertension or diabetes, they are prone to develop this heart disease. So whoever have diabetes or hypertension, they have to take their medication regularly. They have to go for doctor's checkup regularly. They have to monitor their blood pressure, and at the same time, if they have sugars, they have to monitor their sugar levels once in month or once in 3 months regularly. So if they do this prevention, so heart disease may not develop in them. So whoever are having heart disease, they have to take the regular medication, and they should not start the medication without doctor's instruction. That's what we should stick to. The patient is a diabetic, he has started treatment, he has to use lifelong, and it should not be stopped unless the doctor advises. So if you have a diabetes and if it is under control, you yourself don't decrease the dose of the tablets, which will not be good for your health. In the direct, and at the same time, hypertension also, if it is under control with medication, it is because of those drugs which you are using to control blood pressure, it is under control. If you stop them or if you decrease the dose of that medication, immediately your blood pressure may shoot up. So that may cause indirectly heart attack. So blood pressure or hypertension or obesity, so all these have to be managed throughout your life. If you lose weight, you will have more benefits. Either diabetes or hypertension is better controlled if you have some weight loss. If you do some physical activity and if you do exercise regularly, your heart will be healthy, and at the same time, your sugars and blood pressure will be under control. Indirectly, if sugars and blood pressure are under control, your heart will be safe. So do some physical activity, at the same time continue your medication, take doctor help or doctor checkups regularly, and don't stop your medication until you take advice from a doctor. So okay, so those who are smokers, they have to be cautious. They have to quit smoking or decrease the smoking quantity of cigarettes or BD. So unless they do it, they are not going to be safe. If they are alcoholics, they have to stop taking alcohol. So alcohol and cigarette smoking are injurious to your health, especially heart. So those two, we have to be more cautious. And salt restriction is also more important in case of hypertension. And diet control is more essential in the form in diabetics. So we have to eat only one time rice. Remaining time we have to take other form of food. It can be roti, it can be chapati, or it can be simple upma. So that may be helpful rather than taking rice twice a day. So control your diet habits also to control your sugars and blood pressure. So these are mandatory to be followed so that your heart and health will be more beneficial. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patient listening. So try to focus on doing some physical activity, try to take medication regularly, try to go to meet your doctor regularly, and try to undergo investigations which are advised by your doctor. Follow their advice and be happy, be healthy, enjoy your life. Thank you so much. Thank you.